মেঘালয়ত নৰ্থ ইষ্টাৰ্ণ পুলিচ একাডেমীত মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডক্টৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা 54 সংখ্যক মৌলিক পাঠ্যক্ৰমৰ উপ আৰক্ষী অধীক্ষক দীক্ষান্ত সমাৰোহত অংশগ্ৰহণ
Citizen-centric policing in Assam. The police service embodies courage, sacrifice, and dedication. As you step into the state police force, you have to remember that your duty as police officer is above everything else. Upholding the highest standard of professional excellence, integrity, and honesty will be paramount. This will help in meeting the experience of society, the government, and your own family. Throughout your service, you will encounter numerous challenges. I urge you to remain resolute in your commitment and these trials to serve society with courage and resilience. As one of the most vital pillars of the state, the police force bears a profound responsibility. A well-trained police help in furthering the vision and development aspiration of the government. Since assuming office, our government in Assam has pursued a clear and ambitious goal to transform Assam. To achieving this vision, we need a secure environment where crime is minimal and citizens actively contribute to the state progress. Assam Police, in alignment with our commitment to a crime-free and drug-free Assam, has been dealing with all forms of crime. The forces has adopted a firm and resolute stance against criminal, sending a strong messages that there is no place for disruption in a civilized society. As a result of decisive measure taken by Assam Police against crime and criminals, the state has witnessed a substantial decline in crime rate. The number of registered cases has come down from 1.21 lakh in 2020 to around 50,000 in 2024. The crime rate per lakh population has significantly dropped from 349 in 2020 to 139 in 2024. Pending cases has remarkably reduced from over 1.5 lakhs in 2020 to just around 14,000 only in 2024. The search sheet rate has surged from 47.8% to 66.7%, while conviction rate has increased to 22.9% in 2024. The crime against women have notably declined from 26,352 in 2020 to just 5,555 in 2024. Our strict action against child marriage offenders have led to a substantial rise in the case registration from 138 cases in 2020 in 5,498. But because of our stringent action, it has again come down to 557 in 2024. Our relentless war on rhino poaching has yielded remarkable success, reducing the cases to just 2 in 2024. Assam Police has